everybody. I hope you're all doing well with the holidays coming up. I know it's a hectic time. So here's a nice simple recipe that you can make for everybody. Takes very little time, very simple to make, and it's super delicious. Nana's famous chicken piccata. 2 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. We're going to cut those gently in half. Then I'm just going to put between some parchment paper and get my mallet out and pound them even thinner. Thinner the better. And once we get these breasts all pounded out, we're going to put them onto a platter. And then we'll get our frying pan out. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. And then we'll add some olive oil as well. And then once we get this up to heat, we'll lightly dust our chicken with flour. Place it in the pan and cook each side about 3 minutes. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell and that hype button. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. I appreciate you all watching. Remember, there's a new video every Wednesday and every Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So we'll get this last piece of chicken in there. And we'll let this cook for 3 minutes. And then we're going to flip it over just like that. That's what you're looking for. So we'll go another 3 minutes on this side. And then we're going to remove the chicken and work on our sauce. So once this chicken is out, we're going to deglaze this pan with some white wine. If you don't like to use white wine, you can use chicken broth. But I think the wine adds more flavor. But it's all up to you. There we go. And we'll give that a nice mix and deglazing of the pan. Get everything off the bottom. That's all flavor. Next, we're going to add our butter. About a tablespoon or 2 at a time. We've got to turn the heat down to low before you add that butter. Otherwise it'll separate. So we'll slowly melt that butter in 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time until we use up about 3/4 of a stick. Then we're going to come back and we're going to zest 1 whole lemon. So you'll need a microplane and just back and forth, get all that good flavor into the pan. And once we have that zest in, we're going to add about 1.5 lemons of the juice of the lemons. Does that make sense? 1.5? Yeah, 1.5 lemons. There we go. Just squeeze it right in there. I like to get the lemons without seeds so I don't have to worry about seeds going into the sauce. And we still got the heat on low, and we'll mix that up real good. Add about 3 tablespoons of capers with a little bit of the brine. And once we get everything mixed up, we'll turn that heat back up to about medium-low. And we'll reintroduce our chicken. And we'll go about another 2 to 3 minutes on each side as the chicken finishes cooking in the sauce. And once the chicken is done, we're just gonna plate it, pour a little sauce over the chicken, and then I like to top mine off with some parsley. You can garnish with sliced lemons if you like, but that's it. That's simple, delicious chicken piccata done the old school way. Make this dish, everybody's gonna love you for it. Have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you on the next video.
Chicken piccata. Ooh, chicken piccata.
Oh, how I love you. The joy you bring to the table is like a warm hug from grandma on a cold winter day. Your flavors dance, your sauce shines bright.